Hey everyone, welcome back to Unboxing with Val. Today's video is going to be FabFitFun Winter 2023 unboxing. I'm super excited for this. This is, as I said, Winter 2023 unboxing for FabFitFun, and it says on the front, "So nice, it almost feels naughty." So I'm super excited to open this box for y'all and with y'all, because we're opening it together kind of, in a way. So let's go ahead and open it. So here it is. I'm excited to see what's in here. I kind of remember what I chose. I think I remember 3 of the items that I chose, maybe 2 of the items. I think one of them is a blanket and one of them is a bag. So let's go ahead and open it. Oh, I got socks. I chose socks, everyone. I chose some socks. Okay. So the first item that I picked out and I pulled out are some fuzzy socks. I love me some fuzzy socks. And these are long fuzzy socks. These are the Summer in Rose fuzzy socks. They come in dark gray and light gray. So those are the colors that I chose. And they kind of go up to, I want to say, like in between my calf. So like half. Like up until my calf or right above my ankle kind of there. I think that's how they're going to be. So I'm super excited for these, especially because it is cold. I live in San Antonio, Texas, and as I'm opening this box, it is going to be really cold the next few days. It might snow here, so perfect timing for me to open this box because it is going to be cold and we love me my soft socks. Okay, what's next? Oh, okay, I see. So, then next, oh, okay, I have more socks. So I think I might have gotten an add-on. I think, because there's more socks in here. These ones are fuzzier and thicker fuzzy socks, and it's 3-pack. It's also Summer in Rose, and it comes with some patterns. So this one's kind of like this mauve white. The white is kind of like a circle pattern, some sort of circle, and then just all white with pink on the heel and on the toes. And then we've got this kind of maybe like a rosy pink with mauve and just laced in between. And that's the summer, or this one. These ones are actually softer than the other ones, a little more thicker. But I'm super excited for these. I love me my fuzzy socks, so super excited for those. And then we've just got a little scratcher. HelloFresh code. The Family Switch, only on Netflix. That's another, is it another scratcher? It's another scratcher, okay. And then let's see. So we'll start pulling out this one next. So this is Citrine Atlas Collection. Ooh, I got some, I chose cocktail glasses. I love me my glasses. Now I won't really use them for cocktails, or maybe I will. Maybe I'll use them for cocktails, but I also like to use my glasses for their glass. I also like to use them for more than just like water. I like to use them for water or juice, and these just kind of got like these water drops, what it kind of looks like, and they're just these clear, and like I said, it kind of looks as if they've got water droplets, which kind of looks cool. So super excited to use these, and just a set of 2, which is perfect. So add to my glass collection. Let's see, so that's that item. And then we've got the Natura hand cream. Ooh, some hand cream. I could use some of this right now. My hands are been pretty dry, so let's go ahead and smell it and see if we like it. Let's see. And it comes in this kind of like oil painting tube, like a It's like this metal-like tube, and it's supposed to be, what's the scent? Kind of just smells maybe like a little nutty. Doesn't really have a scent. But the ingredients are castanas or Brazil nuts. It says castanhas or Brazil nuts produce an oil that deeply nourishes the skin. They are harvested sustainably by communities from Amazon forest. So I think that's just this. They're made from Brazil nuts. Let's see, and it's kind of cold. Okay, I don't like the smell. It smells more like a men's body wash, men's shampoo. So it's kind of got more of a scent for male. I might not keep it. Don't love it. Yeah, I'm not a fan of the scent. And then we've got this GrandLASH MD Lash Enhancing Serum. So I wonder how that'll work. And then, what's this? Hanky Pinkies. I don't think I asked for this. So I don't think I got everything that I asked for, or that I thought I chose. Which kind of bums me out. But I did not ask for these. So these are, it looks like they're like luggage. So you would take them in your luggage, and your dirty clothes you can throw them in here. And your clean clothes you can throw them in here. Now, I think I know what happened. So my FabFitFun was kind of being strange because I had downgraded from being an annual member to a seasonal member just because I didn't want my annual member to resubscribe, or for the winter I wanted to wait and do annual starting in the spring so I could do spring, summer, fall, and winter all of that time around. So when I went to go choose my things, I couldn't really choose them the right way, so I think that was kind of what happened, which is fine. I guess I'll just have to settle. So I really didn't get everything that I chose. However, I did get this. This is a yoga block. I do enjoy yoga, so I got a yoga block, so when I do yoga at home, I have a yoga block. And this is the brand Melissa Wood Health, MWH. And then, so I think the one thing that I didn't get that I really wanted was I think it was a blanket, which I'm kind of bummed out about. I think that's the one thing that I chose that I didn't get. So kind of, like I said, bummed out about that. This one is a bag though. That's cute. So this is a crossbody bag. The brand is I think it's Rebecca Minkoff. I think it's a Rebecca Minkoff bag. And it's kind of like a going out bag. Yeah, it's Rebecca Minkoff. It's a going out bag, and see, it's got a little zipper on the inside. And then it just got these chains. It's the strap, got this strap, and then the front is studded. It's actually kind of cute, and it's got this really good padding too. And then I don't know what, like a diamond crosshatch pattern. I'm not sure what the pattern is, but that is the bag, and I did choose this bag. So I think the only thing that I didn't get that I chose was the blanket that I really wanted. Instead, they sent me what seems like laundry for when you're going out of town and you just want to put, you don't do your laundry, so you just put your dirty stuff in one bag and then the clean stuff in another one, which is fine. But that's everything that I got. So I got the Rebecca Minkoff crossbody bag, and on the back it's got her initials RM, and like I said, it's really padded. Like it feels like it'll keep things secure, and if it falls, then it shouldn't break. Anything, like whatever's in there shouldn't break. And then we've got socks, so fuzzy socks, Summer in Rose. Super excited for these because it is cold here, gonna be cold here. And then we got the Grande Lash MD Lash Enhancing Serum. We got this lotion that I didn't love. It's the Natura Ecos Castanha lotion. We got a set of 2 of these really pretty glasses with what seems like water droplets. It's just, it actually looks really cool. And they are seamless kind of at the bottom too. So it kind of just curves down, and they are really cute. And then with everything, now I got this yoga block. Super excited for this yoga block. And I think that was it. There's nothing else in here. Nope. So that was it. That was everything from FabFitFun FabFitFun December 2023. If y'all enjoyed this video, go ahead and give it a big thumbs up. To watch more of my unboxings, subscribe down below. And I'll see y'all next time. Bye everyone.